Hi, this is Pam from Statdash. Today I'm going to show you how you can save time by using our automated scheduler to request status updates from your team. From the Manage page, we're going to scroll down and go to Schedules. I'm going to create a new schedule so I can show you how this works. I'm going to create a title, Daily Status. And I'm going to choose from here, I'm going to choose which dashboard I want to create a schedule for. So I'm going to do for my project milestones. Now I can choose which months of the year I want to send this out on. You may want to send this, it might be something that you're sending out quarterly or biannually to maybe get a status update on skills or input for something, but typically you'll leave all of these checked. And most of the time you'll leave all of the weeks of the month checked, but you may just want to do the first week of every month, something like that. So I'm going to set this up to go out every single Monday. So I uncheck the other days of the week. I choose the time. And then I can choose whether I want a confirmation email to be sent to me just so that I know that the email went out. And I can customize the actual email subject that gets sent out to my team members. So I create that, and that's it. And now that that's active, it'll get sent out the time that I specified, and my team members will receive an email that asks them to update the status of all of the activities that are assigned to them on the dashboard. Similar to this, we actually have a report scheduler. So you can go to your report option. If you have a paid account, then you can actually have access to our advanced reporting system. You can view all of your generated reports that you've done, and you can actually schedule each report. When you schedule a report, again, you give it a title. Everything looks exactly the same, except the email doesn't send you a confirmation, but it will send out whatever type of report you have, just like the status request. You can also go and look at all the reports that you have scheduled. You can view the report right from here. There you see this is a read-only version of my dashboard, and you can actually edit your report, and you can change what's included on the report, how it's sorted, things like that. And that's it. So I hope this has helped you to see how you can use our auto scheduler to help you save time. Check out our other videos at statdash.com.